Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today, dear students, we start exercise 1.4. Now 1.4. In this exercise, we will solve the radical equation. And now the question is, what is radical equation? Radical equation involving expression under the radical sign is called radical equation. Now we solve the first question, and the first question is, this is first question, is equal to 2x plus 5. This 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x plus 16. Now this is the equation is given. This is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. First we remove this radical sign. To remove this radical sign, our method is to squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. This is first step of this. 2x plus 5 square is equal to under root 7x plus 16 and also whole square. Now we get this 2x square, this plus, we will use here a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is a square, we write this, and plus 2 formula 2, and 2x here, right, and also write 5 and plus 5 square. Now this is our 5 square, this 5 square is equal to, this square will cancel this, you have on the right side is 7x plus 16. Now this, we write again left hand side 4x square plus 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20, x plus 25 is equal to 7x plus 16. And now we take these two terms, move to the left side, and again we write 4x square plus 20x and minus this 7x and plus 25 and this minus 16 is equal to 0. Now 4x square again plus 20 and minus 7, we write here 13x, and also plus 25 minus 16, you have 9 here, is equal to 0. Now we make the factor of this 4 multiplied by 9. 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. And now we make two factors of 36, which we multiply, we get 36. If we add or subtract, we get 13. Now our factors are 9 and 4. Now these two factors, and both are plus. Now we write there 4x square plus 9x plus 4x and plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this. Here we write, we take x common from this, and we write again in the bracket 4x plus 9 and plus, here we take common from this 1, and 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now write this in this form, x plus 1 and x 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here either x plus 1 is equal to 0, here x is equal to minus 1. So the first value of x, and or we have 4x plus 9 is equal to 0, and here 4x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to minus 9 by 4. Now we have two values. For this type of equation, we will check these roots we have get from this equation. Our roots are x is equal to minus 1 and again x is equal to minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Now first we write here check. Now we will check these roots, either whether these roots satisfy the equation or not. If the roots does not satisfy the equation, this root will be extraneous and we neglect it. We will not consider this. We only consider that root which satisfy the equation. Now we write again equation 2x plus 5 is equal to under root 7x plus 16. Now first x is equal to minus 1. Put this x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. 2 into minus 1 and plus 5 is equal to under root 7, and in minus 1 here plus 16, and here minus 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 7 and plus 16. Again here minus 16 plus minus 7 plus 16 we get 9, and on the left side the remaining is 3. Now 3 is equal to the square root of 9 is 3. Now left hand side, right hand side. Now x is equal to minus 1. It is root. Now we put x is equal to minus 9 by 4 in equation, above equation, and we we write the next page on. Write again the our equation. Here 2x plus 5 is equal to under root 7x plus 16. Now put x is equal to minus 9 by 4. Now 2 into minus 9 by 4 this, and plus 5 is equal to this. 7 into minus 9 by 4 and plus 16, and here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Minus 9 by 2 plus 5 is equal to under root this 7 9s are 63. 63 minus over 4 plus 16. Here again minus, we take LCM of this 2. 2 2s are 1 1 1 multiple minus 9, or here also 1 2 and 10 is equal to, here also we take 4 as a LCM. 4 divided by 4 1 multiple 63 minus 63 here, and plus 1 divided by here 1 divided by 4, and 4 multiplied by 16 64. Now again next step will be here minus 9 plus 10 1 over 2 is equal to here square root under root 1 over 4. Now 1 over 4, 1 over 2 is equal to the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now our solution set is minus 1 and minus 9 4. It is our solution of this exercise. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is equal to under root x plus 3 minus 3x is equal to under root x plus 3 is equal to 3 minus x under root 3 and is equal to 3x minus 1. Now this x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 1. Now again the first step is squaring both sides. Now under root x plus 3, this is equal to 3x minus 1 square. This will cancel this, so you have x plus 3 on the left side. Right here 9x square minus 6x and plus 1. Now these two terms will go to the right side, and 0 is equal to 9x square minus 6x and this plus is here minus x plus 1 and minus 3. This much. We have 0 is equal to 9x square minus 7x and minus 2. Now write this 9x square minus 7x and minus 2 is equal to 0 here. Now we make the factor of this 9 multiplied by minus 2. This 9 minus 2 we get minus 18. Now we want to make the factor of minus 18. If we multiply by factors we get minus 18, and if we subtract or add we get minus 7. Now 9 2s are 18. 9 multiplied by 2. These are factors, and now we write this minus 9 and plus 2. We write the factor here 9x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take common 9x from this, x minus 1 and plus 2 common here, and x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 and 9x plus 2 is equal to 0 here. Either x minus 1 is equal to 0 and now x is equal to 1. Now 9x plus 2 is equal to 0, or here 9x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 over 9. Now we have two values, and now we have two values, and now we put these values to check the equation which is true, or roots are true or not. Now we write again x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2 over 9. This. Now we write original equation. Original equation is x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 1. Now check. Put x is equal to 1 in above equation. Now we write here x 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 1 into minus 1 under root 4 is equal to 3 minus 1. This square root of 4 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now left hand side is the right hand side. It means x is equal to 1 is true. Value. True root. Now we put x is equal to, write again the original equation, x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 2 over 9. 2 over 9. Now put here 2 over 9 minus 2 over 9 this, and plus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 2 over 9 and minus 1, and also here 9 is our LCM, minus 2 and plus 27, 9 3s are 27, this 27 is equal to 3 1s are 3 3s are 9 and minus 2 by 3, this 3x minus 1. Yes, 3x minus 1. This is our value, 3x minus 1. Now this minus 1. Now here in the bracket here we have 25 over 9. On the left side, right side, we have 3 LCM minus 2 and minus 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3. And here on next page, under root 25 over 9 is equal to minus 5 by 3, and 5 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3 is not equal to So which is not true? Which is, it means x is equal to minus 2 over 9, which is not true. Not true. And our solution set is only 1. Only the solution set is 1. This is the solution set of is 1. Only solution set is 1. Now this. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, we write the question number 3 is equal to, question number 3 is 4x is equal to under root 13x plus 14 minus 3. Now we solve this. First we take this term to the left hand side and we write here 4x plus 3 is equal to under root 13x plus 14, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Both sides we get. Now 4x plus 3 we write square is equal to under root 13x plus 14 also square. This will cancel this. You have only right side 13x plus 14. Now on the left hand side 16x square plus 2 4 8 24x and plus 9. Now we take these two terms to the left side, 16x square minus plus 24x and minus 13x and plus 9 and minus 14. These two terms to the shift left hand side, plus minus and also plus here, and left hand side will become negative 0. 16x square and plus 11x and minus 5 is equal to 0. Now minus 80 we make two factors of this, and 16 and 5, and plus 16 and minus 5. These are two factors, 16x square plus 16x minus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. We have here, we take the common x, 16x into x plus 1, and here minus 5 we take common, and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 and 16x minus 5, 16x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to minus 1, and 16x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here 16x is equal to 5, and x is equal to 5 by 16. 5 by 16. Now we take the 5 by 16 is our second two values, 15, 5 over 60. Now we have two values. Now we write again x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 5 by 16. Now we write again original equation here, 4x is equal to under root 13x plus 14 and minus 3. Now we put x is equal to minus 1, and we put minus 1 here. 4 into minus 1 is equal to 13 and minus 1 and plus 14 and minus 3. Now minus 4 here is equal to under root minus 13 and plus 14 and minus 3. Yes, and minus 4 is equal to under root 1 this and minus 3, and 1 and minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Here only left hand side minus 4 and minus 4. This is not equal to this, and which is not true. and now x is equal to -1 we will not take as a root of for this equation. Now we put 5 by 16 x is equal to put 5 by 16 x is equal to 5 by 16. Now we write again 4x is equal to under root 13x plus 14 and -3. Now 4 into 5 by 16 and is equal to under root 13 into 5 by 16 and plus 14 and -3. We here 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 5 by 4 here only we write this. They 365 65 over 14 and plus 14 here and 1. We take 14 as a LCM, this 14 as a 16, sorry, we write here wrongly, this 16, this 16 and 16 here. 65 and plus 16 divided by 16 we get 1 multiplied by 65. Now here 16 and 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by, where is calculator? And is equal to 14 multiplied by 16. 14 multiplied by 16 is equal to 224. 224 and -3. Again 5 by 4 is equal to and 224 plus 65 sorry plus 65 is equal to 289 and over 16 and we have get 17, yes 17 4 and 11 and here 17 13 3 3 is a 9 3 and 3 3 is a 9 sorry under root 289 is equal to 17. Now 17 and -3. 17 this 17 square over 4 square -3 this -3 is equal to here this will cancel this and we have 17 over 4 -3 is equal to 4 as a common and 17 minus and here 1 4 3 is 12 and now we have 5 by 4 yes and also on the left side 5 by 4 5 by 4 and 5 by 4 again 5 by 4 5 by 4. Now our solution set is only 5 by 16. This is the solution of this question number 3. Now write question number 4. Question number 4 is 3x plus 100 over radical sign here minus x is equal to 4. Now we make easy to solve this equation. First we take this factor to the right hand side and again 3x plus 100 is equal to x plus 4. Now squaring both sides we get under root 3x plus 100 we take the square and also x plus 4 as a square is equal to this will cancel 3x plus 100 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 16. Now we take this whole factor to the right side. 0 is equal to x square plus 8x and minus 3x and plus 16 and minus 100 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x and here minus 84. Yes, 84. Now we write these on left hand side. X square plus 5x and minus 84 is equal to 0. We make the minus 84, we make the factor of this, and 12 and 7 and plus 5 plus 12 and minus 7. We write here x square plus 12x minus 7x minus 84 is equal to 0, and we write here, we take x as a common, x plus 12 and now here minus 7 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have two factors, x plus 12 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here x minus 7 is equal to 0, here x is equal to 7. And now x plus 12 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to minus 12. Now we have two roots, x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 12. Now we write this, we write this original equation, 3x plus 100 minus x is equal to 4. Now put the 7 value here under this. 3 into multiplied by 7 plus 100 and minus 7 is equal to 4. Now we write this 21 and plus 100 minus 7 is equal to 4, and the here 121 minus 7 is equal to 4, and we know that 121 under root is 11, minus 7 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 4. Now true, which is true, which is true. Now again we'll put again x, 3x plus 100 minus x is equal to 4 minus 12. Now we write this 3 multiplied by minus 12 and plus 1600 is equal to minus into. Now we put the value of x is equal to minus 12, this minus 12 here and also minus 12 x here and 4. So now I write this minus 36 and plus 100 and plus 12 is equal to 4. Now 80, we get 64. Yes, 64 plus 12 is equal to 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4, and now 64 under root is 8 plus 12 is equal to 4. It means 20 is equal to 4, which is not equal to this, which is not true, which is not true, and our solution set is only 7. Now this is the solution set. Now we write the